In a world where pools turn green, equipment breaks down, and water chemistry goes rogue, one machine was built to protect your pool.
The Chlorinator.
We deliver professional weekly pool service, precision chemical testing, and expert water balancing, keeping your pool clean, safe, and crystal clear. From pool equipment repairs to new installs and upgrades, pumps, filters, heaters, and more, we fix problems before they become disasters. After every visit, you receive a time-stamped email report, complete with chemical readings, services performed, and photos of your sparkling pool. Plus, full access through our customer portal, so your pool's history is always at your fingertips. Relax. Your pool is protected. Call 559-978-1097 or visit thechlorinator.com today. The Chlorinator. Pool problems terminated.